Hey y'all, welcome to Happi Heart Creations. I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to talk to you about what I do and how I get silicone off of my paintings, my art that I use silicone with. This one here was a beautiful ocean swipe and I don't know, I used all kinds of stuff. I used a shovel. I did all kinds of stuff in here, and it's gorgeous, and I'm ready. I want to go ahead and put a coating of like varnish or something on it, but it's not ready because I did use silicone in this one. Not much, but enough to make it necessary, because your varnish and stuff's not going to stick to this. So y'all, I'm going to keep it simple, and this is all I do. Okay, I literally get cornstarch. It doesn't cost much. It's very easy. I use a leftover spoon from the Sonic. Wonder what I was doing over there. And anyhow, I just literally, you see what I did? That's it. Okay. There's nothing to that. I'm going to let it sit for a little while overnight. Okay. And then I'll come back. I'll take my handy dandy soft toothbrush. Make sure it's a soft toothbrush because you're going to be cleaning it off. And I'll be able to tell whether or not I need a second coat. But until then, ta-da! That's it. So I'll see you in a little bit when it's all ready to go, and then I'll show you how I coat how I varnish or how I coat my paintings if I'm not going to resin them. Alrighty. I'll see you in a little bit. Toodaloo. Hey y'all, Tammy here with Happi Heart Creations, and welcome back. Well, this is set on a good day and a half. Trying to get the silicone off of it with the cornstarch, as you can see. Right now, my next step is my trash can's right here to my side, and I'm literally just going to brush it off into the trash can. Okay, it's right here. And I'm just taking this toothbrush and doing that. Here, let me show you up here. It really doesn't matter. One thing about it being soft, it doesn't hurt your painting. So make sure you use a soft bristled brush of something. You could probably use one of those little paint brushes or chip brush or anything that's kind of soft. This sure does look pretty. All right. And I go around all the sides. See? I know there's a lot still on there, you think, and there is. All right. Really don't think, I don't see any of that shiny stuff coming up or anything on here, so I think we'll be good. And literally what I do afterwards is I just take a really, it's damp, it's not wet, and I just wipe off that, and I make sure that I get it off. I go all the way around. Ooh, don't fall in that. Yeah, normally I would have done that in the trash, but y'all weren't able to see it, so we have a little mess here, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. I got some stuff drying in my art room, so I don't want to mess with it. Okay, that looks like it's pretty well undone, but I need this to dry completely. So for the benefit of, I've got another painting. It's one I did. It's the same size, I believe 10 by 20, but it's a gallery wrap, and it was one of my blooms, and I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so let me put the lid on this because worst case scenario. This is what I use right here. It is Fusion Resin. It's mineral. It's by Mineral Paint and stuff. Anyhow, I don't believe it's a real resin because it's water-based, and I'm able to put a little bit of water in that. And basically, that's what I'm going to do. So let me show you what I do. All right, I'm just going to set this here for protection's sake. I've got a little bowl. This is my bowl. All right. I take some of this. Make sure your bowl's clean, which it was not. I wonder why. Okay. And then I literally just pour about that much, if that, because now this will do more than one. All right, then this little towel right here, I'm going to dampen with water. That's all. Okay, I did not get it wet. There is no, it's just moist. It's just a little damp. And then I'm going to take my water and I'm literally going to do that. Usually I have a spoon. Let me get that spoon. Be right back. Okay. Sorry about that. Thought I had everything together. And I literally just make sure it's mixed real good. I try not to bubble it up too much. But y'all, this is, Jilly Cube showed me this, and then someone had showed her that, and I'm going, wow, so I have been doing it for a while. That's what I cover all of my stuff in, and it's also, I use it as my protective coat. Okay, so this right here, I'm going to take this, literally. I know, I keep saying literally, but it really is, literally. And I'm just going to dip it in like that. Move that out of the way. And I'm just going to wipe it. Look at that. Now, one thing about doing it this way, look at it already start to sparkle up. Now, I will go back over and do another coat. But this gets the initial coat on. It takes about, literally, there we go again. It takes about 10 minutes. Let me make sure there's no, you can see it from the side if there's something that's not quite all the way. But man, this, when I found this, when she did that, I just felt like I was liberated. Okay, now when you want a protective coat between, now this is going to be resin. This is one of those, oh, it's so pretty. And it's going to be resin. You need to have like a coat. Now this one didn't have any silicone. And I would have followed the same guidelines of putting the cornstarch on this, had it, silicone, had it. Anyhow, so I'll just dip a little bit in this, and this, so when I go to resin, it has that extra little barrier coat that everybody talks about putting a barrier coat on, and I just let it dry. Now, it already had a coat on there, so anyhow, as you can see, and any of those lines you might see, when you go to resin that, they're not going to be there. Okay, those lines will not be there. Now this will be dry in just a few minutes, 10 minutes or so, probably sooner, but I'm going to just let it be and continue doing a few things. So that's all there is to this. You can try this. There's all kinds of, you know, gloss varnishes and things that you can use, but this doesn't take much and you can do multiple things with that little bit that I have there. I still have enough to do the other painting that we just did. So anyhow, I'm excited. Can you see the shine and the glimmer? Now I don't want it super glossy, but oh, there's a little spot. So you can see it. And you can do what I just did, where a lot of them you've got to be careful. And I'll go back over, and when I do this, I'll just go the other direction. You still follow the same basic guidelines. You go one way and then you go over the other. But man, this is so easy, and I don't want to mess with the brush. I end up throwing them away. These, at least these little handy wipes, I can put them in a bucket of water and let them rinse out, and then I wash them again and use them. So, and I'm not so faithful with those old brushes. I'm so sorry. Okay, well, I'm going to let this dry and move on, but y'all have a wonderful day. If you have any questions about this, I get the Fusion on Amazon. I think it comes from Canada, but anyhow, it's right around $30, but it lasts like forever and a day. So you don't need that much. And I like it. So anyhow, if you like this, go ahead and leave a comment if you have any. Go ahead and hit the like button and thumbs up. If you want to share it with some friends, you can. It'd be great. I don't mind at all. And go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for all notifications. Y'all, all my art is for sale. So if you want to look or you're interested in anything, just go ahead and look at happyartcreations.com. You can, and I have a Facebook page at Happi Heart Creations, and also Instagram. So you can message me, private message me on any of those. The .com, of course, is my, at gmail.com. happyartcreations@gmail.com. Sorry. Anyhow, and you can reach me there and email me a message there for more information. So, hey y'all, have a great day. Today is what you have. Do the best with it and have a happy heart. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, I just had to show you the results. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that nice, beautiful shine. It's a beautiful, beautiful gloss. Let me show you the other one. This resin, not resin, this varnish is so pretty, and this is so easy, so don't be afraid to use it. Alrighty, and here's this last one, and look, it's kind of, I know, it's kind of hard, but maybe in this light, you'll be able to see how beautifully it covered that. And you don't have to worry about brush hairs and things like that that get in it. So anyhow, hey, I'm gone. I just wanted to show you the end results. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.